Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Canva presentation into the PowerPoint. So there may be times where you have designed a presentation in Canva, and now you have to convert it into a PowerPoint. It's quite simple. So this is the one. I have not actually designed it. It's just template. Let's just say I have already designed this presentation. This is the presentation. So this is what it looks like. Now I have to convert it into PowerPoint, right? So in order to do that, you can simply go to the share button and there type in the three-dot bar, and there you can simply type in PowerPoint, and there you go. There's a Microsoft PowerPoint option. It is asking download your design as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. You can also select between few pages, like if you want certain page only, like you want to exclude a certain page, you can simply go in here and unmark this, like you don't want page 1, then you can simply unmark. But in this case, let's do it all. So let's tap in done and hit download, and it's downloading. So it's downloading in PowerPoint. So yeah, this is how. So let's click here, how you download, and yeah, let's go to here, click in the design. It's opening up in PowerPoint, and there you go. This is how you convert your Canva design into a PowerPoint. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. You can go through it, and if any query, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.